Hey, it's Kamela here from Creative Moms Decant. So today I'm going to show you a 10-minute epoxy pouring tutorial. I'm going to make a chicken and a chick keychain, kind of like those mama bear keychains. Let's go.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
All right, so I am using this chicken mold that I got from Glitter Chimp, and I am new to Glitter Chimp. I bought a ton of glitter and I bought this mold and a few other things, so I'll be giving a review on their products soon, but I had no issues with the mold, so there's the quick spoiler. And I use Expert resin here, so it's epoxy resin. I will link it below. I get it from Amazon, and it is fantastic. So the biggest thing when you want to pour something that's going to have some colors is to mix up all your glitters to start. So I'm going to start kind of mixing up a few things, and then you want to start slowly pour them in just the areas. And I have found that if I don't try to quite fill it, so just a thin layer, it's actually not full to the top, it kind of helps me have control. So I just continue to mix up this and pour, and keeping what I've mixed to the side. And we're just going to fill this mold. So I'm going to throw some music on and I'll show you how I easily dump these glitter colors in to turn out some really cute chicken molds with epoxy resin.
a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection.
I love using these chunky glitters. I like that you can get some different colors in bold ways, so they're like perfect for my feathers. And I am just finishing up here by pouring, and you do then want to make sure your molds are full. So I kind of go back and use some of these leftover glitters and make sure my molds are full because we want them completely topped off. So once they're full, you just want to leave them flat overnight. And then tomorrow I'll show you how we check them and take them out of the mold.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is kind of push on them without trying to move the silicone like that, just to check to make sure they're ready. These are definitely ready. I pull it nice and slow, and look how cute they turned out. So just pour your resin in sections and kind of thin layers at a time, and you can get some fun designs with epoxy resin. So far, I'm definitely loving the glitter chip mold and glitters. I also used Craft Chameleon glitters, and as always, I'll link everything below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings.